Hello, beautiful girls. It's Miss P. This is an adorable Arabic Persian fusion techno song. It's belly dancing for fitness, for fun. This is just designed to get you up out of your seats, moving and grooving, shaking and baking, and just doing something good for your body. So let's go. Let's start shimmy. Hop. Take a deep breath. Frame your body down. Again, inhale. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. I love it. Step together, give me. Step together, step together, step together, change. Step together, stay front. Circles of the hips. We call them omies. Again, step together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go back to omies. Omies, omies. Work, work. Have fun with it. 5, 6. Follow me. Hip drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Circle, circle. Let's do that again. Hup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Circle, circle. Other side, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In, wind and grind. Hup, hup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I like what I see. Travel. Step together. Other way. Good. Now give me some chest circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 5, 6. Let's travel again. Hup. Yeah, baby. Let's go. We're going to layer this up a little bit. Give me a hot second. Chest circles. I'm going to add some things, okay? Yeah. 4, 3, 2. Hip drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Work. Sass with class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Circles. Other side. Hup, hup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In. Good again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna travel. Check me out. I'm gonna add a shimmy. What? A shimmy. Layered. Check me out. Chest, hips, chest. I call it chips. The corkscrew. What? Travel. Yeah. Let's go. Chips, chest and hips. Yep. 5, 6. Shimmy like nobody's business. Take all that power, all that energy. Push it downtown. Julia Brown. Let's go. Shimmy, shimmy. We're not done. We're almost there. Here's 4 and 3. Hip drop again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Circle in, circle in. Again. Hup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Work it. Other side. Drop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In. Let's work. Get that heart rate up. Yep. 5, 6. We're traveling. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Hup. Corkscrew, chips, chest and hips, chest and hips, chest and hips. Again, travel. Hup. Corkscrew, chips. We're gonna get fancy with it. Shimmy. Good job. Shimmy, shimmy, play, play. Work, push, push. I love it. Give me a pose. Bravo. You ready, Freddie? Follow me. This is an Omi tutorial drill segment. Put your big girl pants on, your hip scarf. Let's do it. Bend, tuck, lift, roll. Omis, omis. Start slow. slow, slow. Frame your hips. Go deeper, go deeper. Gonna show you different sides. Good, wind it. Pubic bone, drawing a circle on the floor. Chest up, 4, 3. Good. Can you go a little faster? What? Things just got real. Let's go. Up. Work, 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 work. Moving and grooving. Let's go, let's go. 4, 3. We're going down and up. Down, up, down, up. Try it, plie. Up. Sit into the heels. Make sure your knees don't cave and you don't lunge or hinge forward. Yeah? Rest, shimmy, and breathe. That was good. Can we go the other way? Yes, teacher. Here we go. Bend, weight in the heels. Switch your direction. No cheating. Yeah. Good. Down, up, down, up. So we're just going into a little bit of a deeper plie, a little bit of a deeper sit. It's only about an inch or so. It's nothing major. Remember to keep your chest up form. Good. Can you go a little faster? Down, up, down, up. Did I mess that up? I think so. Try it down, up. This is the side that's hard for me. Note to self, you're going to have one direction that's easier than the other. Work it. Good. 5, 6, 7, and shimmy. Wow. Breathe. Pump your knees. Powerhouse. Let's go. Inhale. Sit down. Sit. Shake your hips. Sit. All right. We're going back. Are you ready? Woo! We're going back. Sit down. Listen up. 4, 3. Omi and Omi. Start with the bass. Now we're up to tempo, common time. Winding and grinding. Work it, arms relaxed. Chest up, listen up. Adding on. Check me out. Looks like this. Down, up. Heels down, heels up. Modification looks like this. One heel at a time. Down, up, down, up. Bring the arms up if you need more balance. Good. Keep going. Down, up, down, up. What? Work, work, work. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Holy guacamole, I feel it. Going to the gym. Yes. Good. Stay down, down. Speed it up. Down, slow. Speed it up. Slower. Hup, hup. Slow. Oh, we're done? You got lucky. We didn't go the other way. I think we're going to have to. We're going the other way. Rewind. Should we do the whole thing again? Should we add on? I'm going to do it. Bam. Other direction. Small internal hip circles. The Omi. Prepare. Omi. We're going up to tempo, common time. Chest up. Girls up. Ah. Work it. Work, work. Omis. 5, 6. Follow me. Arms up. I want. Down, up, down, up. Heels down, heels up. Heels down. Modification. One heel at a time. Looks like this. Down, up. Good. Keep going. Down, up. Arms fix that direction. Now we have chest and hips. Chest and hips. Much funner with music, but I'll sing for you. Doom tech, doom doom tech, doom doom tech tech, doom tech tech, doom tech tech, doom tech, up, down, and around, and you're done. Oh, good job. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I'm here. I also have a YouTube membership, $9.99 a month for all access to my YouTube lives and YouTube videos, ad-free. And I have a private Belly Motions membership, $19.99 a month, which has hundreds of videos. And that is at join.bellymotions.com. And then for the YouTube membership, you'll see it below. All right, love you.